Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. Recently, I did a praise cover of an African praise. Okay, so today I'll be doing the breakdown on this channel. Okay, so if you haven't watched that praise yet, you can click on this link. Go check out the video, watch the full video because what I'm about to teach you, you have to watch the video so that you can understand every details I'm about to teach you. Okay. So guys, if you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell, okay, so that you get notified when I upload a new video to this channel. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. Okay, the praise was played on C sharp. Okay, so in the morning when I wake up, da 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 da. Okay, so that's the progression. 1 4 5 4 do fa so fa. Okay, so on your do, yeah, that is what I play. So that is on your one, your do. Okay, so do re mi do re. Now to your fa, your triad, fa la do. Okay. So now to your so, back to your fa. So on your so it goes like this. Your triad, that is your so ti re. Now you play your so once and two ghost notes. Okay. You see? Okay, so do re mi do re fa la do so ti re so fa la do. Okay, so when the punch goes like this, okay, so fa so fa do ti la so fa mi re do. Okay, so now let's check on the hey, my God is good oh. Okay, so after this I'll teach you the lick I played over there. Okay, so it's very simple. Do mi. So I'm playing three ghost notes, not this. You see, pa pa pa. Okay. So do mi fa la do. So to my so I played two ghost notes. So re 3 fa la do, two ghost notes. Fa la do 2 3. Okay. You understand? Okay, to my fa, so do mi fa la do so re fa la do. Okay, so I won't play the do. I'll just play the lick and go to my fa. Okay, so fa la do ba ba. Okay, so it goes like this: fa la do ba ba. Fa mi re so fa mi re do la so fa. Okay. You understand? So okay, you need to be fast there. Okay, so everything a double. I didn't play the do mi here. I played on the 5th string, so do. Okay, to make it a little bit heavier. You understand? So the first one goes like this, and the second one, everything at the... Okay, so I did something like this on my mi. Okay, so mi to my fa. You see? Okay. You understand? So re mi do mi, re mi do mi. The re mi is on your second string. Okay. Fa la do simple. That is so re. And I did something like this. It's very simple. So fa so do ti or fa so do re ti. Okay. You understand? Okay. So learn that too. So luwe goes like this. Okay, so do mi la la, do mi la la. So note that do mi la la. Okay. Okay, so you go 3 times to the fa and play your fa. Okay, so okay, do mi la la, fa re so ti ti. Okay. Okay, so do mi la la, fa re so ti ti. Okay, so with a terrible cat, so I did something like this. Okay, so it goes like this. Your octave, that is your root and octave. Do mi fa fi so re so. Okay. Okay, so fa so do mi fa fi so fa so do. Okay, so do. Okay. Okay, so on your so okay, so do. Okay, so now let's look at so you are good, hallelujah. Oh yeah. Okay, so the progression is fa, do, so, la. Okay, then let me break it down what I played in the song. Fa, your T to my la. Okay, I played ti do ti la. Then I came to my mi fa do so do. Okay, da 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 You can decide to go on do. Sorry, you can decide to go on so, then to your do, or you can play da da da. Okay, and to your do. Okay. Okay. So now let me break down the groove. So this is very challenging. You need to practice this very well. So da 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 Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, so I use the roots and octave to do the groove throughout. Okay, fa 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 fa. Okay, fa 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 fa. So so la la do 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 do. Okay. That is on my T. So so la la T T T T. So so la la T T T T T. Now to my La. Okay, so I played. Okay, so now we end on the La. Remember that we'll be going to your Fa. Okay, so La La. Okay, so you slide to your Do Do, to your Mi Fa. So Do Do Mi Fa, Mi Fa. Okay, now to my So. This is the lick I played. Okay, so Mi Re La So, Mi Re La So. Okay, so Mi Re La So, Mi Re La So, Do. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, so note that on your So. Okay, then back to your Do. So that is why I want you to listen to the song before you listen to the breakdown, because you'll be like, what am I playing? Or Charlie, what is this guy playing? Okay, so go and check out the song. Okay, so Jehovah. Fa 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 do 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 do. Okay, so you see, so fa 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 do 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 fa so 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 do 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 do. Then you continue on your Fa. Okay, so I did the lick going to my Jehovah. Okay, so when the song freezes, boom, Jehovah. Okay, da 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 da. Jehovah. So Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah. So that is the lick I played, and let me break it down. So okay, so Re Mi La So. So Re Mi La So, Re So Do. Re Mi La So, Re So Do Ti La So. Okay. Then you continue Mi Re Do La So Fa. You understand? Okay. So Jehovah. Okay, so Jehovah. Okay, Fa do 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 Fa Mi Re So Re So 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 Re So 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 La Do So So Do 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 Re Mi Do Fa do 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 Fa Mi Re So So. Okay, so we slide Re Ti 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 La 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 So So So. Okay, Mi Re Do Re Mi Fa. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so I think this is what I can show. This is the few bass line and the few licks I can give you. Okay, so check out the song, understand the song, and learn the bass line. You can use this bass line out there. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.